So today in this video today we are going to see how to use NX online. Firstly, we have to visit this site trials.sw.siemens.com. The link is in the description of this video. From here we will go to you can choose a trial of all these things: NX scan to part, NX core designer, advanced designer, mold designer, and NX scan. From here we have to try NX advanced designer. In this, from here we'll get an option to get started now, or we can get a student edition. So since we have to use NX online, we have to go with get started now. So for setting up your free trial, you can either sign up with Google. You can press this button over here. You get an option. So you you can just log in with with your email ID provided. Once you sign up, when the sign up process is over, then you can sign in, and we will use sign in now. And then we'll press sign in with Google. After use another account, and it will be this one. I'm using this account. And next we go. Okay, we have a verification option over here. We verify our account on the phone, and then we'll be redirected to the Siemens website. Yes, so the website is being launched, and it takes some time because okay, so we have 30 days remaining over here, and then what we will do is we will press start here. Okay. Now it will search for a pre-built lab. So this is the 30-day trial. We can use the NX products for 30 days, and after 30 days are over, we don't get so 30 days are good enough for beginner, I think. So it takes some time to set up NX, By the time it is getting set up, I would tell you about how this trial is being done and how to what is the background process of this. So basically, what NX has done here is with AWS and Microsoft, they have made a collaboration and they have what they have acquired virtual computers, virtual devices on AWS and Azure. So they offer the people who are going on a trial or the people who are going or people who are buying wanting to use the NX software online. So in the trial they give a virtual computer, a virtual machine in which NX is installed. Once the window will open, once this setting up thing is done, then when the window opens you will see that yeah. So we'll select the launch software option. Okay. Yes. So I hope you can see my screen now. Yes. So from here, what if you see this window over here, what we are getting is a computer. Like see, there are two times which are visible over. So this is a new virtual machine which NX is providing us with, and in this machine NX has been installed. So now NX is launching. So they have given, like, if we search over here, this is my computer search and this is the search of Windows. So if we go to the control, if we go to the control panel and we search over here, and if we go to uh, from here, if we go to programs and features, and if we see what programs are installed over here, we see that we get NVIDIA graphics card is installed in this with Siemens NX, and we also have Google Chrome over here, which is installed separately on this virtual machine, and we see some Amazon tools are there. Okay, so they have given us a virtual machine with NX installed. Now let's see how to use NX inside this virtual machine. So, and how is the experience? So we will do a full screen on this. So when we do full screen over here, it will ask to adjust the screen resolution. From here we will go to new. Okay, and we'll select model. So here model, assembly, shape studio and sheet metal are only available, and other okay, so drawing is also available. Okay, any other things are not available right now. So we'll go to modeling. We'll select model and we will name it model at normally the same thing. So let's see how the experience is. So this NX which I am using right now is not on my machine. This is on a virtual machine, which the screen of which I am streaming online. Okay, so this is not in this NX is not installed on my machine, and I am using this on a virtual machine. So while you are doing while you're using this NX, you don't need to install anything on a computer. You just need your Google login ID or password, or LinkedIn login ID or password, and you can use NX free for 1 month online without any hassle. If your computer is weak, your computer does not have a very powerful GPU, it does not matter. You can use NX software online very easily and very conveniently. Now let's see how the design experience is in this. So for that, like we can design something like some tutorials are also given over here. The environment is totally like NX which we get offline. Like I think NX 1926 is the version for CAD. There is a little bit of lag in this. I think this is acceptable considering the fact that it is an online version. Okay, so we can set it to, we can change the versions online. Okay, open a sketch. Now let's extrude the product. Okay, we get symmetric value. Okay, and let us do. Okay, so this is done now. Now we'll sketch again on this plane. We'll take another plane over here. Let's do another plane over here. And, okay. Okay, all the options which are there in Linux is there in this software. So this is very convenient to use here. Now we say okay. So finish the sketch and now we get extrude. So mind you, this is not and this software which I am using is not installed on my computer. This is a totally online version of NX which I am using. I just logged in and started working on it. Okay, very conveniently. Now in term when it comes to saving the files, okay, the files are only saved like if you go to save as, we cannot save this file into a platform or into a place or in our computer. We have to save these files on on the virtual PC. So We can either use, like, since Google Chrome is there, so, so what we can do is we can save this files on Google Drive and later on access it. We have the save to my device option over here, and let's see, save it like exercise 1. Let's name it, navigate to workpath location. Okay, save to my device and you press OK. Alright, so cannot transfer file, exceeds the maximum allowed for transfers. Okay, okay, so I see over here that there's an option to save as. So this okay, now my window is open. This is my window. Okay, now I can save this file in my computer. It's in Creopart file. Okay, yeah, this is done. It is saving on my computer. Okay, now let's go to assemblies over here, application, and move to drafting. Let's see. Okay, so application, the tools is we can go to file, new, drawing, A4. Okay, let's see if the drafting is as good as in normal NX software. So from here what we will do is mm, there's the option to immediate and look selection tools. So this is the environment is over here, over there, but like this is the I am this is a little bit different from this is a bit different from exit layout. It's layout is a bit different from what I have been using in NX12, so I cannot get a hold of it. Later in later videos, I will show you guys that how to get the views in this. Let me see. That is not visible. Very not visible. Okay. So, but the thing is that we can use drafting part. I'll get hold of it later on. I'll tell you how to do it. So, yeah, this was NX, and then now also like I'll also show you like uh, how to close the session over here once you've done it. Okay, so this model components. Okay, I close. So after done, we are done working. We need to close NX like this, and we need to close this. We need to close this machine. Okay, like this. So this machine will leave this machine, Okay, and after we have we'll go to this session. We can once our time is getting over, that is 1 hour which we get, we can extend the session. If you press extend the session, we get another 1 hour of using NX. Okay, so no need to worry that only 1 hour is required. That only 1 hour we have. We can work on this as long as we want to. So once we are done with using this annex session, we need to stop the session. Okay, so that the machine stops, virtual machine, and then it saves our data, everything, and and then yeah, we're good to go after that. Though there is no requirement of installing annex. So we can there are other versions of annex are also available in this, like scan to part, for designer, annex cam, mode designer, advanced designer. All these are available. You can try any of these without installing it on our computers. Okay, okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video. See you